Hey everyone, and welcome back to Made to Order a la Orden. I'm Chef Z, and today we are getting ready for game day. Now, I don't know about you, but I'll admit, I'm not the biggest football fan, but I show up for the food, or in my case, with the food. So I created this really easy recipe that was actually inspired by my boyfriend, because he told me that when he's watching the game and he's getting the food together for the guys, like, he just wants something that you don't have to really think a lot about. You can throw it in the oven or throw it on the stove and voila, it's ready. Now, today we are making rum glazed barbecue wings. And you can definitely use a bourbon, but I personally love rum, so I was like, why not? And I have my all-time favorite rum here, which is a Santiago de Cuba rum, which I got when I was backpacking across Cuba. Now, this is hard to find in the US. I'm just gonna put that out there. But feel free to use your favorite brand of rum. I recommend using a dark rum, or you can always use your favorite bourbon, whiskey, whatever have you. So let's go ahead and jump right into this recipe. We're going to start off by seasoning our chicken wings with some good old Dominican oregano, or regular oregano if that's what you have, some onion powder, some adobo, followed by some black pepper, and of course we cannot forget some garlic powder. And we're also going to squeeze a fresh lime. Now, I love seasoning chicken and all kinds of meat with just a lime because it really brings all the flavors together, and the citrus also helps balance out flavors, which is why you always see me either adding a sour orange or a lime whenever I'm marinating meat. We're also going to go ahead and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, because the olive oil is also going to help this marinade really come together rather nicely. And we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now, I personally like to marinate chicken, especially when I'm making wings, because number one, I don't believe in bland chicken, and number two, you never know who actually wants to eat the wings dry and dip them later on. So seasoning beforehand really makes sure that you have some tasty chicken. We're now going to place the chicken wings onto a baking sheet, and we want to make sure to spread them evenly, leaving some good space between them just so that they get nice and crispy in the oven. We're now going to bake them in the oven between 400 and 425 degrees for 1 hour. And while those wings are baking, we're gonna go ahead and make our barbecue sauce. So feel free to use your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using a Kansas City style, and I'm going to add some cayenne pepper just because I like a little bit of extra heat. And of course, we're going to add our rum. Now, you don't have to use rum, you can definitely use bourbon, or you can omit the alcohol altogether. And we're gonna stir this in a saucepan over medium to low heat just until it starts to warm up, just because we also wanna just kill off those alcohol vapors. So once the sauce is ready and those wings have been baking for an hour, we're now going to very generously coat the wings with this barbecue sauce. Now, like I mentioned before, you can serve these wings dry as they are and save the barbecue sauce as a dipping sauce on the side, but I definitely encourage you guys to just coat them, and then once you're done coating them all together, we're then going to actually bake them for an additional 5 minutes, because you want that sauce to really reduce and you want all those flavors to really come out and just be amazing. So there you guys have it, my super easy and quick rum glazed barbecue wings, which is great for a game day or a party. If you have any questions, visit my website, chefzcooks.com, and don't forget to follow me on social media. And until next time, I'm Chef Z, y buen provecho. This is so good, babe. See, this is what they don't know, is that half the time when we're filming these videos, I'm either having a beer or having a drink. Do you want some?
I got one.
Damn. Okay. Just over at me.